you do this? This is Ted. Hi,
Hi.
Ted.
Hello. So basically, plastic up here gets fed down through, gets melted, and comes out a nozzle in a very precise manner. It's printed onto a sheet that is removable and is flexible. So once this is done, I pop it off. I just kind of bend it a little bit, and the parts pop off. I hit it with a heat gun a little bit just to get rid of any kind of little, we call them little whispers or little hair-like things that are melted and still attached, just so that doesn't get into your face. And then I put them into a Ziploc bag, and I can do about 16 per day. Each spool of filament gives me about 60 frames. So right now I'm able to print 2 per print job, 2 hours. So I can do 60 per spool. And I just got these spools in, so this will get me about 240 individual frames, so it'll last me about 2 weeks.
Okay. And so that's at least $100 right there. Holy moly.
Yeah, and because I ordered 4, the place I bought them from, I got it for $20 a spool instead of $25.
Right. That's nice.
So it's good that I can order in bulk, but I also don't want to over purchase because, you know,
Right.
who knows how long this is going to be needed or how many are going to be needed.
Right.
Um,
And you said that this has been running like 8 to midnight.
This been
every day?
this machine since last Thursday.
That's awesome.
Or maybe even before that. I don't know. It's all bleeding into one long day at this point. But I've already printed about 60 to 65 frames.
That's awesome.
So if I can do 16 a day, there's your math. I'm
Yeah.
terrible at math, so I'll let someone else figure that out. But yeah, I get up in the morning, and depending on when I get going, 7 or 8 o'clock in the morning, and print, and then it goes till about midnight after we've gone to bed. So it gets a little bit of a nap between about midnight and 7 a.m., but it's just been printing nonstop.
Wow.
So, and one thing I did want to mention about the frames, it's the same material that Coke bottles or soda bottles are made from.
Oh.
So it's flexible, but it's also really, really strong. So it'll bend a lot before it breaks.
Nice.
This part is also printed 100% solid, so there's no cavities inside. So not only will it dry quickly after being sanitized and cleaned, it's chemically resistant to a lot of things. So you should be able to clean it without heat, because heat is not a plastic's friend. But you should be able to clean it real easily, and it'll dry relatively quickly.
Okay.
And these, I think, will last probably a lot longer than whatever material we use out there. So
Right.
once this thing gets kind of worn out, pop it off, stick a new one on,
Cool.
and should be good.
Thank you, cousin.
You're welcome.